She was holding girls in the front room.
You can't choose your fans, Danny.
Oh, no way! You don't surprise a guy my age. You give me a heart attack.
Do you remember doing an interview when you were a kid, Chime magazine?
You write like Lennon, man.
John Lennon read it, and he wrote you a letter in 1971. Can you believe it?
Dear Danny Collins, stay true to yourself. Stay true to your music. My phone number is below. We can discuss this. I'm a joke. I haven't written a song in 30 years.
You're having a breakdown.
I'm broken. Ain't nothing left to break. What would have happened if I got that letter when I was supposed to? I want to cancel the rest of the tour. I need a plane. Jersey.
Oh, welcome to the Hilton.
Look who it is. I see. So you're staying indefinitely here? Are you on drugs?
Currently or in general?
Currently.
No. Dinner?
You're asking me to dinner?
I think so.
I'm gonna have to decline.
You're not a fan?
Currently or in general?
In general.
No.
But we have good patter.
Why New Jersey?
I'm meeting someone for the first time. How do I look?
Well, you look slightly ridiculous.
Nah. See you at 7.
No, you won't. You expect it to be easy meeting your grown son for the first time.
Hello.
Hello.
Why are you here?
I'm just making some changes in my life.
In a few minutes, my husband's gonna walk through that door, and this will be the last time I ever see you.
We have every right to be angry.
I don't care enough to be angry, okay? Nice to meet you. Have a good life.
Family can be messy, but you shouldn't give up.
I agree. Dinner tomorrow?
Good night, Danny.
I haven't written anything in a long time.
You're nervous.
Yes.
I love that.
You know, I've spent my entire life trying to become the man that you aren't.
I don't know what to say.
I don't need you to say anything, man. I just need you to leave.
You're gonna have to deal with it because I'm here. You can't buy redemption. Dinner tomorrow?
You know what I like about you? You never give up.
Some dinners are worth fighting for.